Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to reschedule a Zoom meeting directly from your mobile app. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Zoom app on your mobile device and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll see your main dashboard where all your scheduled meetings are listed. Take a moment to scroll through your scheduled meetings until you find the specific one you want to reschedule. This could be an upcoming team meeting, a client call, or any other event you've previously set up. When you locate the meeting you need to change, simply tap on it to open the meeting details. This will bring up all the information about that particular meeting, including the current date, time, participants, and any other settings you've configured. Now direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen where you'll notice a 3 dotted lines icon. This is your menu icon that gives you access to various options for managing this meeting. Go ahead and tap on it. From the menu that appears, tap on Edit. This action will open the meeting editor, allowing you to modify any aspect of your scheduled meeting. Here's where you can make all the necessary changes to fit your new schedule. Now, let's adjust the meeting time. Tap on the Start Date field and a calendar picker will appear on your screen. This calendar interface makes it easy to select your new meeting date visually. Browse through the calendar and choose the date that works best for your rescheduled meeting. Once you've selected the new date, you'll be taken back to the meeting editor. Right beside the Start Date field, you'll see the Start Time option. Tap on it and a time picker will appear. Scroll through the available time slots and select your preferred start time for the meeting. This ensures your meeting begins exactly when you need it to. Below the start time, you'll find the end time field. Tap on it and select your preferred end time from the time picker that appears. Setting both the start and end times accurately helps ensure that your meeting runs smoothly and that participants know exactly how long to block out in their calendars. After you've made all these changes to the date and time, look to the upper right corner of your screen where you'll see a Save button. Tap on it to confirm and apply all the changes you've just made. The app will process your updates and reschedule the meeting accordingly. And that's it. You've successfully rescheduled your Zoom meeting right from your mobile device. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.